So for last 2 years, Samsung has been launching a new fan edition phone around September or October. But this time things might change. Samsung might bring the new Galaxy S25 FE phone early than usual. Recently, Samsung had a big meeting to talk about their money and plans for the upcoming months. During this, Samsung's mobile boss Daniel said they want to keep selling well by doing special offers and launching the S25 FE phone earlier. This means it is highly likely that the Galaxy S25 FE might launch near the end of August or early September. If you are planning to buy a phone, I suggest wait a little longer as you might get a better deal. Now you might be wondering why launch it early? Well, we heard that the normal Galaxy S26 phone won't come anymore. Instead, Samsung will have a Pro model with better features. So Samsung plans to use the fan edition phone, the S25 FE, instead of a small basic Galaxy S phone. This makes sense because the S25 FE looks like it will be a bigger phone with a good upgrades. So if you don't know what cool features the S25 FE will have, let me tell you. Now here is something cool. The S25 FE supports Qi2 wireless charging. That's the new standard we have seen on the S25 series. But hold on, while it supports Qi2, it doesn't have magnets built in. So if you want to use magnetic wallets or chargers, you will need a magnetic case. A bit of a mess, but hey, at least it supports the latest tech. The highlight of the phone is the new One UI 8 software, which we recently saw at the launch event of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 series. The Galaxy S25 FE might be the first bar phone to come with this new Samsung software. Now, despite this new software upgrade, many fans might still hesitate to buy the phone because of the CPU. The Galaxy S25 FE is likely powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, which has disappointed some fans due to known issues. However, since the Galaxy S24 series also used this chip, the S25 FE might still perform well in daily use. The front camera is one big upgrade, a 12 megapixel sensor just like the other Galaxy S25 models, improving on the older FE's 10 megapixel front camera. The back camera probably won't change much this time. Talking about the other specifications, the S25 FE comes with a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus 120Hz flat OLED display. There are no complaints in the display department as Samsung has always provided great displays for its S series phones. So that's everything about the Galaxy S25 FE. It looks great, feels premium and brings some exciting new features like the latest software and a better front camera. Even with the Exynos chip, it should handle daily use just fine. If you want a phone that looks like a flagship but costs less, the S25 FE might just be the perfect pick. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy S25 FE? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.